and welcome to Shopcast. I'm your host Varkha, and today we are going to talk with Miss Pooja, founder of Indian designer brand Koi Slipwear. We will bring all Indian D2C brands that aim to make changes in the D2C landscape. So, Miss Pooja, welcome to Shopcast. Could you share with us what inspired you to start Koi Sleepwear and how your journey began?
Okay. First of all, thank you so much for providing me an opportunity to be a part of the podcast and sharing my experience. If whatever I share, if even 1% can, if even 1% of the people can get advantage from it, I would be glad. And it's a it's a nice journey. It goes that way that initially, when I got married, I was into a small nuclear family. I got married in a big joint family. So it was a big joint family and a traditional Indian family. So initially, I used to be at home all the time. I used to have my mother-in-law and my mother-in-law's mother-in-law. That's my buddy Sas. We all used to, live together in a one house. Then we also had a small store in a uh, city location, like which is the city location in Vadodara. So there we used to have a lot of NRI customers. They used to come up and they used to highly appreciate the kind of quality of gowns that we have. And slowly and gradually they started loving it. They used to buy it for themselves, they used to buy it for people for gifting there. So I thought like this is something जो easily नहीं मिलता, and they used to love and appreciate it, especially the NRIs that used to come from different town from outside near US UK से गुजरात में एक special season है, we celebrate it as NRI season like October November December time. So they used to buy a lot of them. Then again they used to come back and they appreciate कि गाउन बहुत अच्छे लगे and हमें और भी चाहिए. So I thought that these kind of gowns they have a lot of potential outside. So at that time when I started, Amazon people used to come to the stores and they used to encourage us कि please आप list करवाइए. And somehow I said okay, I can see like our brand can go ahead, and then from small this thing we started our journey.
Perfect. That's a beautiful story. As a mother of two and a homemaker, what were some of the biggest challenges you faced in transitioning to an entrepreneurial journey and how did you overcome them?
See, first of all, you should say कि if you're a mother of two daughters, okay, so it's the biggest blessing you have. Okay, never take it as a something कि कैसे होगा क्या करेंगे. Number one thing, be honest with the children. Introduce them to your brand. Tell them kisi mama have to work. She has got this work and I have to do it. And trust me, they are going to support you. And especially if they are daughters, they understand एक कोई भी normal woman है, I can see in their eyes that yes they want to work but they are not working, but should start from small. And definitely it is going to work. Obstacles आएंगे but then gradually if you try to solve them out step by step, you are definitely going to win.
Your mission to provide employment to underprivileged women is remarkable. Could you tell us more about the impact of Koi Sleepwear has created in their lives?
Yeah. See, we are Koi Sleepwear. We are a 100% women team. I have people from economically backward class of people. Like right now also there are 3 4 people working in my workshop. उनमें से एक सिंगल मदर है. शी इज़ अ सिंगल मदर. एक डिवोर्सी है. एंड माई कुक्स डॉटर, शी इज़ ऑल्सो वर्किंग फॉर अस. बट ट्रस्ट मी, उनका जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है लाइक उनको they are not respected. Like one of my mate's daughter, उसको इंग्लिश पढ़ना लिखना आता था. शी सेड दीदी मैं आपके साथ काम करूँगी. शी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विथ मी एंड शी गॉट अ सैलरी हाइक हियर कि वो अपने भाई से ज़्यादा कमाने लगी. हिज ब्रदर यूज टू वर्क इन सम पेट्रोल पम्प, पेट्रोल फिलिंग का काम. एंड दैट डे ही स्टार्टेड सेइंग कि आज से ऑफिस जाना बंद. एंड उसको अनफॉर्चुनेटली शी हैज़ टू लीव द जॉब. So they, trust me, the people who come from economically backward class, they are more trustworthy. They will, वो जान दे देंगे, वो आपके लिए काम ज़रूर करेंगे. एंड thirdly, आप उनको एक environment दो, उनको एक ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट करो. जैसे जो भी मेरे पास आते हैं तो शेयर द प्रॉब्लम्स विथ मी एंड इवन आई ट्राई टू सॉर्ट इट आउट. एंड ऑब्वियसली अगर आप इकोनॉमिकली आप ज़ीरो से अगर आप कुछ भी कमाते हो तो यू गेट अ काइंड ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट इन द सोसाइटी. सेकेंडली फिर किसी को नहीं समझ में आता है तो वो लोग ही बोल देते हैं कि नहीं ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे करके करो. So they get the kind of respect in their families. So yes, I feel blessed that yes, we are supporting such women, and now they are seeing a transformation. Like one of them is now become a BC, and now she's earning in lakhs. So things are happening good.
So, were there any challenges when you were like making this impact on the lives of the underprivileged women?
Yes, there were challenges to make the family understand, and luckily we have 100% smeta का जो like we have cameras here, we have all women's here. No, none of the delivery boys allowed to go to the workshop. They have to go to the dispatch part only, which is allocated outside the house. We don't have it inside the house. Inside it's 100% safe. We have nice well maintained toilets for the women. We have safety things for them. We have lunch breaks, proper meal and tea breaks for them. So for them they are very happy, and if they are happy, they also try to convince their family that no, ऐसे लगता है आजकल की इंडिया बहुत मॉडर्न है, वुमेन्स को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी है मैन से, बट समवेयर आई बिलीव somewhere it is missing. And then it really becomes at times little difficult, to make them understand ki nahi, let her work, she is improving. And gradually they do understand. Initially they try to suppress if the girl is earning more, but then gradually they see कि she is committed, and we also prepare her mentally कि आप argue नहीं करोगे आज घर जा करके, चुपचाप आप अपना काम करो, and then you come back. थोड़ा resistance होगा, but then gradually when they will also think that she's going, she's not doing it, so they agree.
Being invited by the Economic and Social Commission for Asia and Pacific is a huge honor. How has the recognition influenced your mission and the growth of your business?
See, United Nations itself is a very big and very renowned organization that has been working for women entrepreneurs, and obviously it has benefited me a lot. There, I have learned a lot of skills uh, regarding all the digital media marketing. Apart from that, the best part was networking. I still believe that your net worth is your network. So if your network is good, you are definitely going to multiply the things. So there I met a lot of other people, influential people. Then I was also invited by Maave to be a speaker there, and eventually I also came to know about this course by IIM Bangalore, by GS 10K program. It's a very nice course, and through this, I would like to say that whoever entrepreneurs who want to really pursue this course, it's really very nice course. And there also, I was awarded as one of the best business plan presenter in GS 13 cohort. So it's nice, and we should keep on learning. कुछ भी opportunity है, just go ahead. Don't think कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा. Better हुआ नहीं हुआ, but we are going to learn from it, something from it. So I always believe that we should keep on learning.
Absolutely. Learning is the skill that is necessary at every stage of life. कोई
And secondly,
sleepwear
your network is also very important. Wherever you are going, at least आप दो लोगों से भी अगर बात करते हैं ना, so you learn a lot of things from them also. So I always believe कि कोई छोटा है बड़ा है कोई भी है, today I would say I have learned from these ladies also जो यहाँ पर हमारे लिए काम करते हैं. वो they are so emotional, they are like they understand every simple thing and they try to reciprocate. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने मिलती हैं. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, Koi Sleepwear adhere to ETI Code of Conduct and undergoes SMETA audits. Could you share the significance of these practices and the challenges of maintaining them?
See, these practices are very important because भगवान ना करे कुछ गलत होता है आपके वेयर हाउस में या क्या है, सो यू शुड हैव द बेसिक जो फायर की चीजें हैं, लाइक द फायर जो पंप्स आते हैं. उसके अलावा एस्केप का एक प्लान होना चाहिए कि अगर यहाँ से नहीं जाएंगे तो स्टाफ का क्या होगा, because end of the day they trust you, they are coming to you, so it is my responsibility to make sure that they are safe at my place. So उसके लिए वी अंडरगो दिस मेटा थिंग. उसके अलावा वी सेलिब्रेट देयर बर्थडेज, ये सारी चीजें हुआ करती है. सो इट इज आवर हार्डकोर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू फॉलो ऑल द थिंग्स, ताकि ये एक सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन हो जाए. हर साल करवाना है, यानी आप एवरी ईयर सब कुछ चेक करोगे, अगर नहीं करवाना होता, it's not compulsory, but we do it because I believe कि these are certain things which shows that yes we do care, and उससे होता भी है. कल को कुछ problem हो जाएगी. I've seen these what is called the stuffs like the bounce ups and all these things, they were shut down in Vadodara due to some Rajkot thing happened there. So somewhere these things are neglected, which shouldn't be neglected because they trust us, they're coming to us. So it is my responsibility to give them a safe environment. ऐसे लगता है कि तो छोटी छोटी चीजें क्या फर्क हो जाएंगे, but जब होता है it impacts drastically to the lives of people that cannot.
Absolutely. Team is the key for any business. With a small but powerful woman led team, how do you ensure collaboration, innovation, and growth within the organization?
See, what we do is we also take up the students who want to work with us. Like right now, also MS University has given us 3, 4 students who are voluntarily working with us. We do pay them, and they come up with their own new ideas. Maybe half of them are not all up to the mark practical, but yes, they are learning. They have something new in them. And the seniors here, they try to put up their expertise, the designers here, and उनका जो new innovation है. So we try to have a balance between them. Ki certain things are not, feasible maybe, but if we do, little changes to it, then it can be done. So they bring new innovation to us. So it's nice. We are working like both the ages.
What excites you to the most about collaborating with ShopTips, and how do you see this partnership benefit Indian brands and customers?
Okay, so what we do is we wherever your brand presence is very important. Okay, so even in digital media also we were taught कि आपका brand हर एक जगह present होना चाहिए, no matter how small or how big the place is, but it should be present everywhere ताकि कभी कोई भी like if it's Mintra, if it's Amazon, if it's Ajio, if it's Tata Click, if it's JioMart, if it's Shopcluse, कम business दे रहा है तो भी you should have everything, your brand should be visible at every place, because it is said ना कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, दिखेगा नहीं तो बिकेगा कैसे. So it should be present in all the marketplaces, I believe.
Yes, omnipresent is something that every business should consider. So, how do you think ShopDips can amplify Koi Sleepwear's mission of empowering women and promoting ethical practices in fashion?
Well, as of now, we haven't yet started, so let's see.
Definitely, we would definitely help each other and uplift each other in the businesses. How do you manage the dual role of being a mother and running a business? And what advice would you give to other mothers aspiring to become entrepreneurs?
Uh, Number one, be very honest to your children. Tell them, and they should even know ki, like what a mama is doing. Like she's not only cooking the food, she's doing so many things together. So they would even help you at times. Like while I am planning, or if I am planning to go for a meeting or for some other sessions, they also suggest us, ki, no, no, mama, you take these things, you take these things. ये product अच्छा लग रहा है. Involve them in small, small work. चाहे वो स्टफ जो न्यू स्टफ आया है उसकी डिजाइन आप बच्चों से पूछिए, इफ दे फील दैट दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, दे वुड लव टू help you in your things, and they would allow you to do. Okay, okay, mama, you do it, I know that you are doing. And trust me, your children would love telling people that yes, my mama is doing something. Like my younger one, when she was in nursery, at that time I used to go to IIM Bangalore for this TS10K program, which I was selected for. So she told, one fine day they used to have some brunch breaks, and at that time the teacher used to talk to all the children कि आप बताओ whatever you want to share. So my daughter told them कि आपको पता है मेरी मम्मा का स्कूल बहुत दूर है और उसको प्लेन से स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. So she started laughing and she was thinking कि क्या बोल रही. And then we came to know that she was saying कि मम्मा आप तो बैंगलोर, आपने बोला ना मम्मा मैं स्कूल में पढ़ने जा रही हूँ, तो आप एयरपोर्ट गए तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि आप प्लेन में पढ़ने जाते हो आप बैंगलोर. So if they know, they appreciate and make them a part of. It's very important.
What is the core philosophy of Koi Sleepwear, and how do you ensure it resonates with your customers?
See, the whole thing is that we should be the most loved brand, the most genuine brand. and they can rely on for comfort. Because see, something like a sleepwear or a sleep, initially it was not like, that much awareness was not there in the society, but now yes, people are much aware of a peaceful sleep and how important sleepwear plays the role of a sleepwear in their lives. And also, we like, by God's grace, we are already 4+ rating on all the marketplaces, and we request them to just continue the support in 2025 and all the years to come.
Absolutely. Rating is something that is very important for any business to survive. Ethical fashion is gaining traction. How does Koi Sleepwear incorporate sustainability into its processes and products?
See, uh, our main thing is like, see, we try to, now we are expanding. Okay. So we try to check personally at every level that the product use are a good product as stated. Secondly, we want that the products that we are providing them should be of the best quality. And now we are trying to expand our business, like from only nighty and nightgowns, we are expanding to maternity wear. Then we are expanding to the Resham embroidery nightgowns and also the Resham embroidery cord set. Now we have the modern corset, and now we are coming up with the bridal range as well.
Okay, so is there any piece which is more dear to you, which is more favorite to you? Any collection, any piece?
Yes, the Resham embroidery 90s. They're like evergreen from the day one when we got listed on Amazon. I remember on the first day, they were all out of stock. Like they all got sold. And the ratings are too good. So we can say Koi Chatai embroidery is my favorite. Like it's a Resham embroidery 90, and I love it personally. So,
How has the customer feedback influenced the evolution of Koi Sleepwear? And can you share a memorable piece of feedback?
okay. Yeah, sure. Uh, See, there are a lot of feedbacks that we have got, but in one of the feedback, my client has written in the Mintra feedback also. Thank you, Pooja Bhaksundani. It's a beautiful piece. I love it. So, that personal touch, and my client, my team was talking, मैंने आपका नाम भी लिख दिया इन्होंने. So that is so innocent and so genuinely she said thank you for the support. I love the piece. My mother-in-law loved it. And such small gesture of love are very important to us. You can also go through entire feedback. We also have feedback from Anshula Kapoor. We also have feedback from Ratna Prabha ma'am, who is in Bangalore, who has worked 40 years for this BJP. And we also have feedback from the UN Escape Director, Sir Rajan Ratna, Sir. So we also have feedback from Maldives ex-health minister. So we are glad to be loved, to be loved by so many wonderful people.
Have you had mentors who guided you through your journey? If so, what's the best piece of advice you have received?
I have a lot of mentors. I'm really happy to be a part of that IAM program in which I got to learn from Malvika ma'am. I got to learn from Sunil Handa sir and a lot of other faculties. But one thing that that touched my heart was, Pooja, there is no shortcut to success. अगर सक्सेस चाहिए ना तो हार्ड वर्क तो करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आपको मिल जाता है, and this is someone who told me he is a millionaire person. This tell me one thing, अगर तुझे जिस भी दिन मिल जाए ना शॉर्टकट, give me a call, मैं half an hour में आपके पास आ जाऊंगा. So one thing is that yes, we have to work hard. There is no shortcut. अगर खुद का सक्सेस चाहिए तो, so it touched my heart, that he is saying like that. तो काम करो और करते रहो.
Yes. Hard work is the key, and there are no shortcut to success. So every entrepreneur encounters setbacks. Can you share a moment when things didn't go as planned and how you tackled it?
Uh, yes, yes. See, during this thing, Corona, it was very difficult. We had no helpers in the house, and it's a family of 10 people, so you can understand the kind of work we have to do. And then at night, we used to get all the orders around 50, 60, 80, up to 100 or maybe 120 orders. And then half of the stock we had, maybe some orders that we get, we don't have the stock. I used to, and there was no helper, like even packing from taking the carton till upstairs. packing each of the pieces, sticking the labels on it, invoicing, everything we used to do on our own. So I used to make call almost 50, 60 calls per day. And I used to tell them, hello, ma'am, calling from Koi Sleepwear. And unfortunately, the piece is not there. And we have very similar piece. I'm sharing the pictures with you. Please have a look at it. So I used to make such call every day. And at that point of time, my younger daughter was 3 months. So मैं एक हाथ से मैं उसको फीड करती थी, दूसरे हाथ से मैं फोन पे होती थी. Then I used to know कि नीचे मुझे lunch prepare करना है. So those times were very tough times for us. But yes, they turned out to be a blessings because maximum listings and maximum हमें जो visibility मिली है, that was during the COVID. It's like a blessing in disguise. No doubt the hard work was at the top, like, but then yes, got nice.
Yeah, so the God has graced you with the blessings. So, Pooja, your brand name is very unique. So, I would love to know the story behind the Koi Sleepwear name.
See, we started with Valencia Sleepwear. Okay, our brand name was Valencia Sleepwear, but then we were supposed to launch ourselves on Mintra. At that point of time, when we applied for this trademark thing, we couldn't get it registered because there is already an international brand called as Valencia Sleepwear. So we had to change the name. We also did private labeling for someone under different name. And we were just looking for names. And my husband loves pets. He loves fishes. He loves this turtles. He loves dog. We have cat in the house. So there is a koi fish, which is a fish for good luck. And luckily, I was just searching, and I got that name. Like, let's keep this name, and it was available. I checked it on the same moment whether it's available, and we decided like koi because then koi पहचान एक लड़की ढूंढती है. Okay, and I have a girl inside it. I asked the logo designer, to have that girl inside it. Okay. Because ये कोई लड़की है जो गाउन पहन के एक बहू बन के घर पर रहती है. ये कोई लड़की है जो एक मदर भी होती है. ये कोई लड़की है जो एक फ्रेंड्स के साथ एक अलग रोल प्ले करती है, हस्बैंड के साथ एक अलग रोल प्ले करती है, एम्प्लॉयज के साथ एक अलग रोल प्ले करती है. दिस इज कोई इज आइडेंटिटी कि आप कोई भी हो और आप कोई भी बन सकते हो. सो आई बिलीव दैट द वुमेन्स हैव द अल्टीमेट पावर एंड यू कैन डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट. सो कोई से कुछ भी आप बन सकते हो. सो जस्ट गो अहेड.
Absolutely. So, what's your vision for Koi Sleepwear over the next 5 to 10 years?
See, we are planning to expand to GCC, that is the Dubai and the different countries there. We're trying to have our products and our visibility there in that market. Apart from this, we are also trying to launch our product in some of the designer stores, well-known designer stores in.
That's very nice. And what advice would you give to the woman who wants to start their own business but are hesitant to take the leap?
Just go ahead, start with whatever you are, wherever you are. You can do it. Just believe in yourself. Okay, yes, I will start. In case you come across any problem, if you feel any day that you need any help, you can give me a call and you can, go through. There are a lot of Facebook, Instagram motivational things. Kabhi bhi chota feel ho, you should go through. And there's a very nice book called as The Secret.
Yes,
So
I read it.
you can also read that, and anybody can do it. The God has given us powers. So we are above all many other creatures. So we are already blessed. And our body is working nicely. So every day morning we should say, thank God that I'm healthy today and I'm alive today. So it's the best thing to have. Just go ahead, start doing. रास्ते अपने आप निकल जाएंगे, बट पहला पैर रखना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, पर रख दो यार, प्लीज डू इट.
Absolutely. First step is the most important step. So, what strategies have worked best for building Koi Sleepwear into recognized and respected brand in the ethical fashion space?
The quality. We always believe that the quality, if your quality is good, if your team is good, then the customer will trust on you. Never break their trust. Okay. So if the quality is good, the team is good, the customer will trust you and they will provide a genuine feedback to you. And if your feedback is good, you are going to do good in this market. So it's very important to maintain the quality. And कितने भी बड़े हो जाओ, जो बेसिक बेसिक मिनिमल चीजें वो आप खुद से ही चेक करो keep a check and keep on doing everything so that you don't forget कि अब मुझे याद नहीं है कि levels कैसे निकलते हैं. No, every time you should know all the procedures and everything, and maybe once in a month or once in 2 months you do it personally so that कुछ भी नया develop हुआ है तो ऐसे नहीं है कि आप उसको you are not aware of it. You should also be aware of all the things that is taking place. Yeah.
To wrap up, Miss Pooja, what is one message would you like to leave to our listeners, especially those passionate about ethical fashion and women empowerment?
There's a lot of potential in ethical fashion. Trust me. Just go ahead, start working, start, first of all, find out what is your passion. And secondly, how you can transform it into your profession. Okay. And try to find a nice intersection between it. And start working छोटे से छोटा step लो और कुछ भी नहीं होता है तो trading से शुरुआत करो. Start trading the things, and if it works well with you, start manufacturing them, and don't go into manufacturing directly because it costs a lot. And normally housewives or small people or people like us, they don't have lakhs of rupees to put it there. So every time start with this thing, trading, then go to manufacturing, but don't manufacture in bulk. Get it manufactured small quantity, and then if it works well for you, then you set up your own amazing workshop, your amazing karkhana, and go ahead. All the best for that.
Absolutely. Small steps are very essential for any business to be success. And finally, for our listeners who are inspired by your journey, that brings to the end of today's episode of Shopcast. A huge thank you to Pooja ma'am for sharing her inspiring journey with us. Remember, you can find her brand and amazing other Indian brands on shoptips.com. Until next time.
Thank you so much.